So here you are on your Flex Grid, but you've only got one chart. Flexible Grid is right at the top of the page, by the way. But if you click on this at the top right, you'll see Show Grid Action. Click Customize Grid, and you'll see this pop up in the center of your screen. Next up, you can hit this button right here, which is top and bottom, or you can hit the one in the middle, which is side by side. And if you want to get rid of one, you can just hit the button far right. But how do you get this sidebar right over here? You just enter any stock you want, and it'll open up. Then you can hit TS for time and sale, and you'll get that. You can also click on the letter D for any time configuration that you'd like. And you can hit the little beaker button to get any studies that you'd like Bollinger Bands or Relative Strength Index. But if you're like me, you don't like the volume down here, you want it to overlap. All you do is click on the candlesticks right here, click on Settings, and then click on Overlap Volume, Apply, OK, and look at that. I like to keep things simple as a trader. I'm not one of those traders who likes to have the 10 monitors all over my desk, looking at hundreds of different positions over the course of the day. That seems overwhelming to me. The way I do it to not be overwhelmed is I'm kind of old school. I have my notebook with my pen and my paper that I keep some notes on. I also set alerts on some of my charts to tell me and notify me if a stock is getting to a certain price where I'm thinking about maybe buying or selling. But I'm also the kind of trader who likes to keep it simple in terms of what stocks I trade. I trade basically the same companies all year. Of course, there are, occasional ones that I'll trade once or twice. But to keep it easy, I've got my bread and butter stocks that I keep an eye on, and here's what my setup looks like. So this is my setup. It's my one and only computer. The chart that's prominently displayed is the stock that I'm actively watching. But then I'll also jump to something called Flex Grid, which is over here. Right up here, you'll see Flexible Grid, and when you click on it, it opens up to here. And these are all the stocks that I'm usually watching. Of course, for the sake of this video, they're all Apple, but it gives you an idea. How stupid does this look? This whole thing is yesterday. This is after hours. This is pre-market. And this one little stupid segment on the screen is today. That looks so stupid. Now, as the day moves on, this area will expand and start moving outward, but I don't like that. There has to be a better way. That's my Seinfeld. It's not very good. But there is a better way. If you click on Style, and then you click on Settings, and then you come over here and click on Time Access, and then under Expansion Area, you click 100, and then you hit Apply, and then you hit OK, that is so much better.